Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Engineering Moderns. So in the previous video we have just talked about some of the deficiency diseases. So first of all, what are deficiency diseases? Let us talk that. So here, diseases that are caused due to the lack of nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins or minerals in the diet are called the deficiency diseases. See here, I am just writing the definition of it again. Diseases that are caused due to lack of nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, or minerals in the diet are called deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases. Okay. So here, talking about the deficiency diseases, that is, what is deficiency diseases? Means due to what we are eating, in that there is not the minimum amount of what? Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats and that all. So due to that, a disease is caused to our body. So that diseases are known as the deficiency diseases. What is what of deficiency? So it is carbohydrate deficiency, protein deficiency, vitamins deficiency or minerals deficiency. So due to this, the deficiency diseases are caused. Now moving further to the deficiency of carbohydrate and protein. The introduction we have seen in the previous video. Now let us see so here deficiency deficiency of carbohydrates and protein. So what is the disease that is caused by if the carbohydrate and proteins are not there in the minimum amount in our body? Okay students, so here we can say that we need protein for building muscles and repair worn out tissues. Lack of protein in our diet can cause weakness in our muscles. Here, the first point in that we can write that lack of proteins in the diet can can cause weakness in our muscles. That causes weakness in our muscles. So here, first of all, growing children needs more proteins in their diet. So the baby which is born, they need more protein. For what? Because if they do not get enough protein, then what will happen? Lack of protein in the diet can cause weakness in our muscles. Okay, students. Then after, deficiency of protein causes here deficiency of proteins causes what? That is deficiency of protein. Deficiency of protein causes kwashiorkor in children. Okay, this is the name of the disease which is caused by the deficiency of the proteins in the children. Here you can see the picture is given. This is the name of the disease. Okay, a picture you can see which is given over here in the textbook, that is 2.8a. Okay, then after deficiency of protein, here its symptoms are large swelling bellies, stunted growth, mental retardation and diarrhea. Okay, deficiency of protein as well as carbohydrate is called protein energy malnutrition. Here what is said, that is deficiency of proteins as well as carbohydrates is called protein energy malnutrition. That is in short PEM. Okay, so here the deficiency of protein as well as carbohydrate is called protein energy malnutrition. That is in short it can be said that is PEM. Okay, that is known as PEM in short. In MCQ fill in the blanks or in choose the correct answer, that it can be asked that what is the full form of PEM, then you have to write that is protein energy malnutrition. Okay, next point, that is PEM is quite common in children in the rural areas. PEM leads to marmus, which is the second figure B. You can see it is given in children under 5 years of age. Its symptoms are thin body, weak legs, poor muscles development and mental retardation. So this is the two diseases which are caused by the deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins. Okay students, if you want to write this main points, then you can write and we will see further, that is deficiency of vitamins. Okay students, now moving forward to the deficiency of vitamins. So let us see deficiency of vitamins. Deficiency of vitamins. Okay, deficiency of vitamins. So what is it? Let us see. So here there are different kinds of the vitamins that we have seen. The water soluble vitamins and the fat soluble vitamins as previous. Okay. So now let us see different kinds of the vitamins. See here we have seen vitamin A, B, K, and that all the vitamins. Okay. So let us see which vitamin causes which diseases. Let us see. So here a table chart it is given. Okay. So let us see that here vitamins and their rich sources and functions, deficiency diseases and their symptoms. So here vitamin A. So which are the main sources of vitamin A? That are fish, carrot, dark green leafy vegetables and sweet potatoes. Needed for good eye vision and to keep skin and hair healthy. Okay. And which disease is caused by vitamin A? That is night blindness. Okay. So here it is dryness of eyes and improper vision. So at night, if there is a deficiency in vitamin A in your body, then you cannot see properly at night. So you should eat what? Carrots, dark leafy, green leafy vegetables and sweet potatoes. So you can just get vitamin A from that. Okay. Then after second vitamin, that is vitamin B1. So that is get from yeast, soya bean, milk, sprouts and sunflower seeds. Maintains healthy nervous system and a healthy circulatory system. Here the disease name is that is beriberi. So the symptoms are inflammation of nerves and may also lead to heart failure. So here if you don't have enough vitamin B1, then it can also cause you a heart failure. Okay, that is known as the beriberi. Nerve system will not work properly. Then after B2, that is milk, yogurt, eggs, almond and legumes. So this is vitamin B2, that is keeps skin and hair healthy. So here what happens? Skin disorders. The skin diseases which are caused is due to the deficiency of vitamin B2. Okay, skin disorders. Then after vitamin B12, B2, if we just take in, then it keeps what? Keeps skin and hair healthy. Then after coming towards the B12, vitamin B12, that we get from what? That is animal products. So here formation of red blood cell, maintaining healthy nerve system, and here the disease name, that is anemia, a condition of lack of enough red blood cell in the body. Symptoms tiredness and weakness. So here what happens is due to vitamin B12, what happens? We get from all the animal products. Vitamin B12 is get to our body. So what it just do? It just do not, if you just do not have enough red blood cell, then it creates vitamin B12 creates the red blood cell. But if you are just not eating animal products, then there will be deficiency of vitamin B12 in your body. So what will cause that? It will cause anemia. Okay. Now C, vitamin C, that is citrus fruits, that is lemon and oranges, tomatoes and red and green peppers. Here what it just do? Vitamin C, that is prevents infections, maintaining healthy teeth and gums. And here the name of this disease is deficiency disease, that is scurvy. Okay, and symptoms are bleeding gums and teeth. Here it is just to make the infection which are there in our teeth, so it just maintains that and kills all the bacteria in our mouth. So we should eat vitamin C. Okay, for that there are some of the citral fruit like lemon, oranges and that all. Okay, now coming towards the vitamin D, that is we get from milk, fish, eggs. Sunlight helps our body to make vitamin D. So here we all know that the morning sunlight just can prevent us from deficiency of the vitamin D. So if we just sit at this morning sunlight, then we will get vitamin D in our body. Okay, and let us see what it functions, that is healthy growth of bones in children. So here what we have seen, the baby born which is there in our home, if the baby is born, then what just our parents do, they just take for 15 to 20 minutes to the morning sunlight. So why? Because they just form what healthy growth of bones in the children. And the deficiency disease, that is rickets, and the symptoms are bow shaped leg, pain in the spine and pelvis. Okay, now coming towards the vitamin K, that is we get from spinach, cabbage and any other greeny leafy vegetables, and it helps in what? Helps in blood clotting to stop bleeding. Here vitamin K helps in what things? Vitamin K helps if I just have bleeding over here, then what happens? If I just do not have enough vitamin K, then the bleeding will not stop, and if I have enough amount of vitamin K, then it will stop bleeding fast. Okay, then after here it is hemorrhage symptoms, excessive bleeding, means if there is excessive bleeding from the body, then it is deficiency of vitamin K. Okay, so these are the vitamins which we have seen. Okay, and their functions and their deficiency diseases. Now moving towards the deficiency of minerals. Deficiency of minerals. Deficiency of minerals. Okay, deficiency of minerals. Here the minerals, first talking about the calcium. So which are the rich sources of calcium? Okay, then after what the calcium functions and which are the deficiency diseases of if we just don't inhale the calcium in our body. So let us see, that is milk and dairy products, green leafy vegetables and tofu. Okay, these are the rich sources of calcium and the functions, that is strengthen bones and teeth and helps in clotting of the blood. Here if we just talk about the vitamin K, and here we are just talking about the calcium, then it both just stop the blood loss from our body if we have just get any of the thing over it. So here deficiency disease, that is osteoporosis, okay, weakness, brittle bone in adults and rickets in children. So here the bone will not form, so that is the deficiency of the calcium. Then coming towards the phosphorus. So phosphorus we get from soya beans, pulses, whole cereals, milk and dairy products, pumpkin seeds. Okay, and what they just do, that is strengthen bones and teeth, maintains acid base balance in our body. Okay, so and what is the deficiency disease, that is rickets in the children's. Okay, that is bow-shaped legs and pain in the spine and pelvis. Now moving towards the iron, that is what are the rich sources of iron, that is whole grains, pulses, meat, dark leafy, green leafy vegetables and apricots. Helps in formation of hemoglobin and red blood cells. Okay, so the iron just helps in formation of the hemoglobin and red blood cell, and it causes the deficiency disease, that is anemia, which is caused by the vitamin B12. Okay, then iodine, that is we get from fish, iodized salt, yogurts, baked potato with skin, seafood, eggs, and it what it does, it just do, that is maintains a healthy thyroid gland. Okay, and it helps in goitre symptoms, enlarge of the thyroid gland in the neck. We have seen the some of the people having thyroid on the neck. So what, due to what it is? It is due to the iodine. Okay, then coming towards the sodium, that is we get from salt, bread, and most foods, helps in maintaining fluid balance and muscle weakness and cramps. Here sodium helps in maintaining the fluid in our body. Okay, and its deficiency disease, that is muscle weakness and cramps. Potassium, banana, spinach, and sweet potatoes helps in maintaining fluid balance. Okay, same, and the disease is also same. Here magnesium, whole grains, spinach, beans, squashes, chickens, and fish, required for many chemical reactions inside our body, maintaining the functions of muscles and nerves. Here muscle cramps, takes irregular heartbeat, that are some of the deficiency diseases of the magnesium. Now coming towards the zinc, that is pumpkin seeds, beans, peanuts, and chicken, strengthen the immune system, helps in cell division and in healing of wounds, loss of appetite, stunned growth, anemia, slow blood clotting. So according to the what? According to the vitamin K only, this is that. And coming towards the fluorine, that is seafood, tea, almond, and cucumber, makes teeth strong, tooth decay. So here what is mineral, that is fluorine, it helps stronger our teeth, and it just deficiency disease, if we do not have the fluorine enough, then our tooth will break, that is tooth decay. Okay, now coming towards the loss of water, which is our new topic. So let us see that. Loss of water. Okay, loss of water. Here, water is required to carry out important biochemical reactions and in transport nutrition in our body. So here, why the water is required in our body? For what? Some of the important chemical reaction in our body is done by the water, and also what is done, that is transportation of nutrition from one place to the other parts of the body. Okay, then after we lost water in form of sweat, urine, and water vapor in the exhalation air. How here we just lost our body water, that is in form of sweat, urine, and exhalation in the form of water vapor. Here we must make up for this loss by during enough water. We also lost water during heavy exercise, fever, diarrhea, or because of lack of safe drinking water. Excessive loss of water from body causes the condition is called the dehydration. So here I will write that is excessive loss of water from the body causes a condition called dehydration. Okay, here the loss of water, excessive loss of water from the body causes a condition that is a dehydration. Okay, so here now loss of water, that is what, from the body we just lost our body water, then that is known as the dehydration. So we have to just do the hydration again. Then what is the hydration? Just we get enough water to our body, that is known as the hydration. Okay, here that is dehydration also causes loss of salt. As a result, the person feels weakness in the body. Oral rehydration solution, that is ORS, is given to the patient to recover from dehydration. ORS is available free of cost at all primary form health centers. You can also make it yourself by mixing 8 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt in 1 liter of clean drinking water. You can also make the ORS by yourself, that is 8 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt in 1 liter drinking water. Okay, so here we have just completed our chapter. Okay students, now you just write down your homework, that is, so in your homework you have to do, that is, so in your homework, that is deficiency in of vitamins and minerals and table. Okay, and the find out answers, find out exercise answers. Okay, so this is your homework and we will meet in the next video. Okay students, bye.